So here I have Samsung phone, and let me show you how to change the side button back to the power key. So let's begin. So in the newer Samsung phone there is no power key. If you press the power key, the phone doesn't open the power menu. Let me show you how it works. Let me even unlock the phone. If I press the power key for a long time, there is no power menu. It's nowadays the power key, so it's named the side button. It's opening the Gemini, but it won't open the power menu. You can open power menu though by using the side button and volume down. Let me show you. This is the power menu, but let me show you how to change the side button back to the power key. Let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here from list of settings, let me open the clear list of settings. Let's choose the advanced features. Select here the side button, select here long press and choose power off menu. That's it. Now if you press the power key or the side button, the power menu pops up. Let me show you again, side button or power key, and the power menu pops up. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.